Friday night, and I got no plans tomorrow. I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your...
Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today's gonna be a little bit different of a video because we have a few things that we need to do and it's all kind of just jumbled up into one. So today we're gonna go run some business errands. Yo,
because we're business owners now. Yeah, we got responsibilities for this.
Yeah, we opened up a business bank account and we haven't spent anything on it because we haven't needed to, and we're gonna go make our first purchase, possibly.
It's because we're broke.
That's... Or actually, let us know in the comments down below. Do you want to see some stickers and merch already, or should we wait until, I don't know, we hit like 10K subs? I don't know.
Kind of far from
later. Yeah, we got a long ways to go. We just hit 1,500, but it's all good. We appreciate the support and the love. But yeah, we're gonna go run some errands today. Let us know down below. And also, if we have time, we're kind of gonna race the sun, but I need to do a few things to my car. I need to fix some of the things that are broken, not broken, but messed up. And if you have time, we'll get to that. If not, it's okay. Pick it up later. And I guess you guys are just stuck with us for the ride.
Maybe we'll hit a car meet tonight.
Oh yeah, possibly. I've been wanting to, but at the same time, like the car meets haven't been looking the greatest, not gonna lie. But just for the old time's sake, we haven't been to a car meet together in like, how long has it been?
Not in 2025, that's for sure, at least.
I don't even think in 2024, bro.
Yeah. 24, like, it's been like 2 that we've gone to.
Yeah, I've been to some nicer car meets, like some cars and coffee type, but not some like late night, because I've just been trying to avoid that crowd. Just not, I mean, respect all builds, but like, they haven't been.
They've been interesting. They've been interesting. We'll say that.
I didn't know how to finish that.
Yeah. All right. Let's go do some errands.
Bye.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way.
Alright, we're here at the sticker store now, as you can see behind me. If you guys are in the Westco area, go ahead and check them out. They have really cool stickers, actually. They literally have anything that you're looking for. Actually, I'll put up a clip. I'm not gonna bring the camera inside, but I'll film a quick little clip for you guys. They have a really cool cart. I just spoiled it. I was gonna show, and I was gonna get Andrew's
that you had
reaction, but it's okay. They have like a whole like thing with a whole bunch of cars. It's pretty sick. So if you see your car, come check it out. Grab yourself a sticker, and wish us luck.
A few moments later.
All right, so mission successful. Well, half successful. We got our decal stickers that you guys can go ahead and not purchase on our website because we don't have one yet, but it's gonna be kind of like this, just a regular sticker that you can slap on anything. If you happen to see us out in the wild, maybe we'll have some, we'll give some to you. But got those done. And at the sticker store, they don't do like card decals, so they gave us a little tip. I guess they have some card decal thing at a kiosk here at the Westco Mall, so that's what we're gonna go look for. We're gonna go look for that kiosk, see if we can do one of those. We don't want a big amount because, I mean, it's only gonna really basically go on Andrew's and my car. Matt, we can ship one up to him.
Josh.
Or we can give one I don't know if you put that on there.
I think you would.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll pass it around maybe. Yeah, we're gonna go see. So that's it.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so got back from the mall and we could not find the kiosk where the decals were supposed to be. Could have been there. I have no idea, but we took it now. So we're just gonna order them online. Next form of business, gotta fix up the car. So a couple of things we need to do here. One, in the back, my whole panel is off because I was trying to find a new harness for my fuel pump controller, which I still haven't found, but I'm just gonna put it back because I'm tired of it looking ugly. Secondly, after that, wash my car. And then thirdly, if you come to the back of the car, my spats are coming off. See, that one's already coming off. This one over here is already off, so I need to fix that, make it look cleaner. Hopefully Andrew has some tips on how to keep it on there because they don't stay on it. Andrew's shaking his head no, so we're just gonna wing it, I guess. Is that it? Is that all we have? I think that's it. Yeah. After that, we'll see how we're doing with the timing, but maybe we'll have some other stuff in store for you guys. Yeah, car meat maybe some other stuff. I don't know. I'm getting kind of hungry, so maybe you can watch us eat or something.
I didn't want to say anything, but I've been hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving, bro. All right, let's get this thing done. We'll go get some food and then maybe hit a car meet or some. But I was literally about to say, let's go meet up with Matt. But like,
even though it's Friday night, and I got no plans tomorrow. I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be.
okay, so it's a few hours later and got the car all put back to. Oh my god, my face was just in the fucking middle of the shot. We got the stuff put all back there. Yep. Panels back, car is washed, and the spats are now back on the car as it should be. So we're gonna go ahead and get some food. We're going to In-N-Out, guys. No Dave's Hot Chicken. We can't go to Dave's Hot Chicken ever again since Matt's not here. This is video turning into. It just is one of those days. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the more personal content. It's fun to just vibe and be able to have a regular day. Just doing random stuff that we normally would do, just wouldn't film. But yeah, let's get going.
Forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth. You're just cruel. I swear anything's better.
Shot. Well, I just farted on camera and you guys missed it because I was muted. But we're at the car meet. What did we last leave off on? Okay, yeah. Well, we went to In-N-Out, got back, ate our food, walked around, and car meet was what Andrew basically said. He thought it was gonna be a 4 out of 10 car meet. I would say it's about a 4 out of 10. Not very many cool cars. I mean, there's some pretty cool like newer Civics and Accords that are like VIP built and stuff. And there's also a Supra, a Mark V Supra right across from us, and also a Integra Type S, which are pretty cool. I guess those made the meet not so bad. There's also some pretty cool Civic builds. But yeah, overall 4 out of 10. We're gonna head home now because it's getting kind of late, and yeah, we spent like.
It calls 10 o'clock late.
Yeah,
He's old.
I'm old, bro. I need to go sleep. Yeah, the whole meet itself was pretty small, but I think this IG meet, car page is pretty small. So cool turnout, but not what we're really looking for. What we're looking for is Midnight Sakudo. So maybe we can get out to one of those soon.
We'll say this is their second location.
That is true. There were a lot of nicer cars, I will say, leaving the first location, but we got there too late, and then we ended up at the second location, which were okay cars. I'd like to give an honorable mention to the car right across from my car. It is a Honda Accord with a big ass wing and some butterfly doors. I hope you guys can really see that, but that shit's that was what I was expecting for this meet. Like, whenever we go out to this type of stuff, like that's just what I envision when we're like, oh, let's go to this meet, blah blah blah. Yeah, pretty cool cars. There was a 240 over there left. Yeah, until next time. Other than that, we got Andrew's car that we're looking forward to getting back very soon, right?
Hopefully.
We keep getting like pushed back and delayed, but I mean, it should be back pretty soon. So hopefully you guys are excited for that, and let us again know down below, what should I do to this car? What else should I do? I'm stuck in between a whole bunch of different things. Give me your guys' help, feedback. I need to know because I'm stuck. I don't know what to do.
Stuck, step bro.
Okay. All right, good night. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Eric won't let me eat.